This tutorial will assist you in transforming your phone into a webcam for your PC. If you find these instructions helpful, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Let's begin by acquiring the necessary software. Open your web browser and search for Iriun Webcam. Visit the website iriun.com and select the Webcam for Windows option. This action will initiate the download process. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the file, and double-click to open it. A Windows security prompt will appear, which unfortunately can't be recorded, but proceed by accepting the terms of the agreement, which I have already reviewed. Next, proceed with the installation by clicking Install. It's a quick process. After installation, you can start the Iriun Webcam server directly, or if you miss it, simply use the shortcut on your desktop or search for it on your computer. Now, switch to your phone. Open the App Store and search for Iriun Webcam. Tap the download button to install it. Upon completion, open the app. You might need to rotate your phone and allow the app to access your network, camera, and microphone. These permissions are crucial for functionality. Once set up, you should see the webcam feed appear on your PC. If it's not working, ensure that both devices are on the same network. To switch the camera view, tap the Flip button. For a practical demonstration, let's use Zoom. In the bottom left corner of Zoom, click the arrow to choose your webcam, select Iriun Webcam, and then start the video. You should now be using your phone as your webcam. If this guide was beneficial, please leave a like.